So here we have a sequence, and we're going to write a recursive formula for it. So if we look at the sequence, we're going to decide what type of a sequence we have. So I'm going to take the 8, and I'm going to subtract the 5, and we get 3. You always take a number and subtract the one that came before it. I'm going to do the same thing with 14. And the one that comes before that is 11. And you can see that I get 3 for both of them. So since I subtracted each time and I got the same number, this is an arithmetic sequence. And the 3 that we found is the common difference. So when we come over here, I have everything in black written. That's going to be there every single time. The a sub 1 means we want the first term. So if we go back to our sequence, the 5 is the first term. So I'm going to put a 5 here. This says that you're going to start with a 5. At the bottom, we have a sub n, which means any number in the sequence. And we have a sub n minus 1, which means the one that came before it. So we're saying to find any number in the sequence, you're going to take the one that came before it. And we just found our pattern was adding 3 each time. So I'm going to put a plus 3. So that is our recursive formula for this one. Here's our next example. We have another sequence. This time if we check -2 minus -4, the minus and negative turns into plus, so that'll be 2. And if I take -8 and subtract the one that came before that, that will give us an 8. So this is not arithmetic because we did not get the same number. So we're going to try geometric. I'm going to take the -2, and this time we're going to divide by -4. And you can put that in the calculator if you want, but you're going to get 0.5. I'm going to repeat, and I'm going to take -8 divided by -16. And again, if you type that in the calculator, you will get 0.5 again. So subtracting, we did not get the same number, but with division we did. So this is geometric. And that 0.5 that we found would be the common ratio. So if we come over here to our recursive formula again, the a sub 1, again, remember, means go to the first number in the sequence, which if you look, it's -16. And then a sub n, any number, we're going to take a sub n minus 1, the one that came before it, and we just found that our pattern was multiplying by that 0.5. And again, you can use your parentheses for multiplication or the dot. Either one will be sufficient, and that's what you're going to be doing on your examples today.